Okay, this car have a low RPM, so I clean the fast idle valve and see how's it go. Okay, so I'm gonna start the car. It's idle right there, and I'm also gonna turn the AC on high. Holding about 700-ish. I'm also gonna shift it to dry. AC on high still, and on dry, and it's still whole. So I said that's a fix. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Okay, this is the valve. I'm gonna take it off. There's a screw right here and there's another screw right there. It's called the fast idle valve, thermal valve. So that's where the valve lives, okay? Show you, pull back a little bit. The car here. And you go inside. Where this thing at? Okay, so and wash it. So it's just going to show you lower screws longer than the top one. Cleaner. Spray in there good. Screwdriver, just gently cleaning, scrape off on the side here. Just a screen, okay, so you don't want to damage the screen there. Just gently scrape on the side here. I could take this piece off, but I don't want to. Too much work. I'm just gonna try to get the easy way out. See, come out a little bit more. Click. Okay.